Hi guys, today I'm making a wonderful Christmas treat for y'all. This is a giant bar of the dark chocolate Hershey's, but you could use any kind of chocolate that you'd like. And then I've got a dozen candy canes. I went ahead and unwrapped all of these. These are 10. So I'm just put this all in here on top of the chocolate. Make sure it's in one layer like that. Amazing. And this is also like the best time, there's 10 in there, to use up those broken up candy canes, right? So I'm gonna put that in here. Next, I've got, this is a quart of whole milk. Put the whole quart in here. This is gonna be so good and perfect for the holidays. See those candy canes coming up through. And then we're gonna take another quart, but we're only gonna be using half. We're actually using 6 cups of whole milk. It's 2 more cups right there. That goes in. Now we're gonna add some things to make this even creamier. I've got this peppermint mocha coffee creamer. I love how everybody's coming out with these like flavored coffee creamers. So we are going to be doing 2 cups of that. Smells so good. And then I have extra for coffee. That goes right in there as well. And if that wasn't creamy enough, we're gonna be adding 1 extra cup of half and half. It goes right in there as well. Add that to our liquid mixture. Then we're taking, this is hot cocoa, just gonna make it even more chocolatey. It's creamy enough, but now we need extra chocolate. So I've got, this is a 1/4 cup measure. We're gonna do half a cup. Put that on top like that. And then another 1/4 cup. Total of a half cup of dark chocolate cocoa powder. We give this a quick stir. Make sure that all that cocoa is mixed into the milk and the cream and the creamer. Remember, those candy canes are still in there. There's that bar of chocolate. Okay, so once that's kind of combined like that, guys, this is so easy. All you're gonna do is put the lid on this and cook it on low for 2 hours. Oh, doesn't that look good? Peppermint hot cocoa. Everything has melted down, those candy canes and the chocolate bar. We're gonna be adding, look what I found at Target, peppermint marshmallows. And put that right on top. It's so cute because it's pink. Okay, gonna leave that, I'm gonna submerge some of them like that. Oh, that is gonna be so cute. Okay, I love it. We're gonna go ahead and put the tray right on top while that is continuing to warm up. 2 plates here. I've got some hot fudge. I'm gonna put some on a plate. I'm a Michigan girl, so I miss my Saunders fudge. So I'm using whatever I found. I guess the brand out west here is Mrs. Richardson's, but if you're a Michigander, you know what I'm talking about. Got Sanders fudge, it's so good. We've got some Andes peppermint crunch. It's like these, the Andes bars, they like cut up into bits. So I've got that, like that. And I've got, this is a glass mug I can like put hot liquids in. So you can go ahead and just curl this around. Oh, perfect. And get some of the crunch on there. So Such an easy way to celebrate the holidays. You can have the toppings set aside. And come in with this hot chocolate, the marshmallows on top. Put that right in there. If you like peppermint, hot cocoa, this is gonna be the best way to enjoy them. Some extra marshmallows on top like that. Let's give it a taste test. It's so good. Tastes like Christmas. You should make some.